Sino ba ang pinakapugi na manglalaro sa Gilas Pilipinas? Ang kutis, parang artista. Sino ba siya? Walang iba, si Dwight Ramos. Si Dwight Ramos ay ipinanganak noong September 2, 1998. Is a Filipino-American professional basketball player for Labanka, Hokkaido of the Japanese B-League. Siya ay naglalaro sa college ng Ateneo Blue Eagles of the University Athletic Association of the Philippines or UAAP. At siya po ay isang active na manglalaro sa national basketball team na ang Gilas Pilipinas. Dumadako na tayo sa kanyang early life and education. Si Ramos ay galing sa Ilocosur at ang kanyang ina ay si Lilia Ramos from Russia. Ang kanyang second cousin ay si Miss Universe Bahrain 2022 na si Evelyn Abdullah Khalifa. Si Dwight Ramos ay biniyayaan ng sobrang gwapo at parang artista. At sa basketball na naman ay sobrang galing po niya. Malamang maraming mga babae ang naghahabol ni Dwight Ramos. Siyempre, alamin muna natin kung sino ang kalab team ni Dwight Ramos. Siyempre, walang iba si Kim Kennedy, ang isang mistisang Chinese na isang player ng volleyball at siya ay nag-aaral sa Lasal. In the future, kung magkaroon sila ng anak, ano kaya ang mangyari? Siguro, sobra pong galing maglaro sa lahat ng sports. Nagsimula ang kanyang professional career noong 2021-2022 nang maglaro siya sa Toyama Grouses. Ramos decided to forgo his 1 year of eligibility in UAAP and he signed with Toyama Grouses of the P-League Japanese. Ramos played only for the 2021-2022 season, with his team finishing 7th in the West Conference. Toyama didn't renew his contract. Ramos remained in the B-League, joining Leavanga Hokkaido in May 2022. He averaged 10.0 points, 3.9 rebounds, and 2.3 assists per game during his first season with the team. On June 6, 2023, he signed a contract extension with the team. At sa kanyang national career, ating babasahin, Ramos has been a prospective member of the Philippines national team by its management as early 2018 when he was included in a 23-member pool intended for the 2023 FIBA World Cup. He debuted for the Philippines in February 2020, playing in the 2021 FIBA Asia Cup qualifier match against Indonesia. The Philippines won 100-70 in that match, with Ramos contributing 5 points, 5 rebounds, and 2 steals. Ramos played with a squad reinforced by PBA player in the first window of the qualifiers due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Subsequent qualifier matches were repeatedly postponed, with Ramos flying back and forth between the Philippines and the United States, usually training in the latter where pandemic-related protocols are more lenient. Ramos was included in the 21-man pool for the 2023 FIBA World Cup, where he was eventually included in the final 12-man lineup. Marami pong salamat sa panunood. Mag-ingat po kayo mga idol at dito nagtatapos ang ating pagbabalita sa ating radyo. Sa lahat ng mga Bisaya, mag-follow kayo sa akin. Ay, joke lang po, mag-follow kayo ni Dwight Ramos.